AI is becoming part of everyday work, but sending every prompt to the cloud is not always the most practical model. As organizations look to scale AI adoption, they are also looking for better ways to manage costs, maintain control, and keep more workflows closer to where work happens. That is what we're showing here. A full OpenClaw deployment on a workstation equipped with 2 Intel Arc Pro B70 GPUs with 32 gigs of VRAM per card. In this setup, OpenClaw is acting like a local agent and an orchestration layer on an Intel Xeon host system, while the locally hosted models behind it are accelerated by Arc Pro. The value of this architecture is straightforward. Keep routine AI tasks local, run on hardware you control, and use high-end cloud models only when the task really calls for it. Let's look at a simple example. Here, I am giving OpenClaw a task to research the top 5 LLM papers published in the last week. As we can see here on the right side, when the local workload is running our Arc Pro B70 GPUs, the utilization power draw increases. This is exactly the kind of everyday workflow where local AI can deliver real value. The user gets a clean agent experience while the model work is happening through the local inference stack on the workstation. That means you can handle a meaningful share of common AI tasks without making every interaction dependent on external infrastructure. Now let's take it a step further. I'll ask OpenClaw to create a more strategic, executive-level market positioning summary based on the same material. When we switch to an online model, you'll notice the local GPU power and utilization didn't spike because inference is being routed to the cloud instead of consuming additional GPU cycles here. This is where hybrid models become important. Not every task has the same requirements. Some can be handled efficiently with local models, while others may benefit from a more advanced cloud-based model. With OpenClaw, that can all happen within the same workflow. So instead of choosing between local AI and cloud AI, you get a more practical model, local first for cost and control, with the flexibility to scale up when needed. That is really the end state story behind this implementation. OpenClaw on the host CPU, local models accelerated by Intel Arc Pro, and a workstation platform that gives you a practical path to local first agent workflows. If you want to learn more about the thinking behind this approach, look for the blog link in the description. And if you want to build it yourself, the implementation guide walks through the setup. This demo shows the end result, a practical AI workstation architecture designed to bring more AI closer to where work happens, local, private, and cost-effective.